अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह।
वालेकुम
अस्सलाम
अस्सलाम
वालेकुम
वरहमतुल्लाहि
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear brothers and sisters, inshallah, today we will learn the next lesson of the book. In this lesson, we will do revision of the previous lessons, and there are few more vocabulary and few more rules we will learn. Lesson number 11. This is a revision lesson. It contains only two new words, fihi and uhibbu. Uhibbu, I like, fihi, in it, and fiha, also in it. Fiha is feminine of fihi. Fiha is feminine of fihi. Meaning of fihi and fiha both are the same. Fihi means in it. If we are using for a masculine noun, we will use fihi, and if we are using for a feminine noun, we will use fiha. Here is the example. Man fil baiti, who is in the room, in the house, who is in the house. So house is masculine noun. House is a masculine noun. Al baitu, masculine, the house. That's why we will when we will reply fihi. Fihi, in it. Fihi, in it, abi wa ummi. There are my father and my mother in it. So al baitu, we will use fihi. And fiha is a feminine. The feminine is fiha. Man fil ghurfati. Man fil ghurfati. Who is in the room? Al ghurfatu is a feminine noun. Al ghurfatu is a feminine noun. So for feminine, we will use fiha. Al ghurfatu is a feminine. So for al ghurfatu, we use fiha. Man fil ghurfati, who is in the room? Fiha akhi, there is my brother in it. There is my brother in it. And the third saying we will learn uhibbu. Uhibbu means I like, I love, I like, I love my father. Okay. Uhibbu abi. Uhibbu abi wa ummi wa akhi wa ukhti. I like my father, my mother, my brother, and my sister. So what is the rule here? What the uhibbu do? The noun following uhibbu. The noun following uhibbu, it will be mansub. And the mansub nouns, they take fatha. Their ending is fatha. The object of a verb is mansub. It takes fatha ending, but it doesn't appear in a noun which has possessive pronouns. So if there are the possessive pronouns, we have learned in the last lesson about the possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns, attached pronouns. So if there is a possessive pronoun, then this fatha ending we cannot see there, because we have learned that the possessive pronouns, they are mabni, they are constant. They don't change. When they are mansoob or when they are majroor, they don't change. They remain constant. So if uhibbu, the following pronoun with uhibbu, that will be mansoob, but there will be no fatha ending. If there is a fatha, that fatha is not because of the uhibbu, that fatha will be pronouns original fatha. Okay. Of the first person singular attached. First person singular attached to it. So first person is here. Abi, akhi, ummi. Abi, akhi, ummi. You see here. This is the first person. Abi, Abi, my father. Ummi, my mother. Akhi, my brother. Ukhti, my sister. So they are the first person. What is first person here? Yae mutakallam. Ukhti, my sister. Akhi, my brother. Ummi, my. So in this ya is pronoun here. This ya is pronoun of ana. So pronoun of ana is ya. So if the first person singular pronoun is there, then we cannot see the fatha ending. Okay, the next is here are some examples of the object without the possessive pronouns. Uhibbullaha. Uhibbullaha. This is Allahu. This is Allahu. But because of uhibbu, it take fatha. Uhibbullaha. Uhibbur rasula. Ar-rasulu. The noun is ar-rasulu. Because of uhibbu, it is mansoob here. So it become ar-rasula. Uhibbu rasula. Uhibbu rasula. Rasulun become rasula. Uhibbul lughatal arabiyata. This is al-lughatul arabiyatu. Al-lughatul arabiyatu. But because of uhibbu, it become al-lughatal arabiyata. Okay. Here we can learn tuhibbu, you love, masculine singular. You love. Tuhibbullaha. Tuhibbullaha. After tuhibbu, Allah is a noun, so Allah is mansoob here. The ending of Allah is mansoob. Allah, ha. Tuhibbullaha. Tuhibbu lugataka. This is lugatu. This is lugatu. But because of tuhibbu, it become lugata. So after on the ta, there is fatha. There is fatha there. Man tuhibbu. Who love you? Maza tuhibbu. What do you love? Note that the word man and maza don't have fatha ending. Man is constant. Man is constant. We have learned. So man don't change. Man will be man. It will not be manna. It will not be manna. If we make it mansoob like this is wrong. Man tuhibbu, whom do you like? Maza tuhibbu, what do you like? So they don't take mansoob ending. They don't take fatha ending. Even they are object. They are the object. They are the maf'ul bihi. Because they are indeclinable. They are constant. They are indeclinable. Same like the pronouns. Pronouns are also undeclinable. So they remain unchanged. They remain unchanged. They don't change. So this was our lesson. In this lesson, there is nothing more. So we go to the lesson. This is our lesson for today. Baiti. Baiti, my house. Baiti mean my house. Haza baiti. This is my house. Baiti amamal masjidi. Baiti amamal masjidi. My house is in front of the masjid. Amama. This is amama. Amama we have learned. Amamal masjidi. It is in front of the masjid. Baiti jamilun. My house is beautiful. Baiti jamilun. My house is beautiful. Fihi hadiqatun saghiratun. Fihi hadiqatun saghiratun. There is a small garden in it. Fihi, in it. There is a small garden in it. Hazihi ghurfati. This is my room. Fiha nafizatun kabiratun. This fiha we are using for ghurfa. Ghurfatun. Fiha nafizatun kabiratun wa mirwahatun jamilatun. In there is a big window. There is a big window and a beautiful fan. Mirwahatun means fan. There is a big window and a beautiful fan in it. Fiha, in it. There is a big window and a beautiful fan in it. Haza sariri. This is my bed. Wahaza kursiyi. And this is my chair. Wahaza maktabi. And this is my table. Saati wa qalami wa kitabi alal maktabi. Saati, my watch. Wa qalami, my pen. Wa kitabi, and my book. My watch, my pen, and my book alal maktabi or on the table. Wa haqibati tahtal maktabi, and my bag is under the table. Tahtal maktabi, under the table. Nafizatun ghurfati, nafizatu ghurfati, nafizatu ghurfati maftuhatun. The window of my room, window of my room is open. Maftuhatun, open. Window of my room is open. Hazihi ghurfatu akhi. Hazihi ghurfatu akhi. It is my brother's room. This is my brother's room. Watilka ghurfatu ukhti, and that is my sister's room. Watilka ghurfatu ukhti, and that is my sister's room. Ghurfatu akhi kabiratun wa ghurfatu ukhti saghiratun. My brother's room is big. My brother's room is big and my sister's room is small. Ghurfatu akhi amama ghurfati. My brother's room is in front of my room. My brother's room is in front of my room. Amama ghurfati, in front of my room. Wa ghurfatu ukhti amamal matbakhi, and my sister's room is in front of the kitchen. Amama, in front. Amamal matbakhi, in front of the kitchen. Li akhun wahidun. Li akhun wahidun. I have one brother. Okay. Li akhun wahidu nismuhu. We will read it nismuhu. Wahidun. This is actually wahidun. Wahidun. So we will give here kasra. Du nismuhu. Wahidu nismuhu. Like this. Wahidu. Wahidu nismuhu Usamatu. His name is Osama. Wali ukhutun wahidatun, and I have one sister. Wahidatu nismuha. Wahidatu nismuha Suadu. I have one sister. Her name is Suad. So we will read here with noon. Nismuhu. Wahidatu nismuhu. Nismuha. Wahidatu nismuha Suadu. Her name is Suad. Abi wa ummi fi tilkal ghurfatul kabiratu. Abi wa ummi fi tilkal ghurfatul kabiratu. This is fi. So tilka ismul ishara. This is a demonstrative pronoun for the feminine, and the demonstrative pronouns, they are also mabni. They are constant. They don't change. So because of fi, tilka will not be majroor here. We cannot give here like this. This is wrong. This is fi tilkal ghurfa til kabirati. Ghurfa til kabirati. So it will be ghurfa til kabirati. My mother, my father and my mother, they are in their big room. Ghurfa til kabirati, big room. They are in that, tilka that. They are in that big room. my father and my mother are in that big room. Ana uhibbu abi. I love my father wa ummi, my mother wa uhibbu akhi wa ukhti. And I love my brother and my sister. So this is our lesson for today. And this is the exercise. Here is a we do the exercise first. If we have a time, then we will do the revision, inshallah. So this one we only have to read and translate. This one we have to read and translate. Who will read and translate? Please raise hand who want to read and translate. Okay. Muhammad Samba Usman.
Assalamu
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Man fi hazal bayt.
Man fi
Who is
hazal
in this
baiti.
house?
Man fi hazal baiti.
Okay. Man fi hazal bayti. Who is in this house? Fihi hamidun. Hamidu is in it. Oh, there's a
There is Hamid in it. Hamid is in it.
Hamid is in it, or there's Hamid in it. Maza fil haqibati. What is in the bag? Fihi kitabi wa qalami wa daftari. There are my book, my pen, and my notebook in it.
Good. There is
Man
there is my book, my pen, and my notebook in it. Okay, good.
Man fi sayyarati. Who is in the car? Fiha abi wa ummi wa akhi wa ukhti. There are my father, my mother, my brother, and my sister in it.
Okay, good.
Man fi masjidil jami'atil an. Who is in the mosque of the university now? Ma fihi ahad. There's nobody in it.
Okay, good.
Man fi hazihil ghurfati. Who is in this room? Fiha al mudir. There is the principal in it.
There is a
The
principal in it.
headmaster. Yes.
Okay, good. Mashallah, good. Fi hal mudiri. Fi hal mudir. There is a headmaster. Okay. Man fi masjidil jamiatil ana. Who is in the masjid, mosque of the university now? Ma fi ahadun. There is no one. Nobody is there. Man fi hazil gurfati. Who is in this room? Fi hal mudiru. Mudir is here. Headmaster is here. So next is uhibbu. Uhibbu abi wa ummi. I love my brother, I love my father and mother. Uhibbu akhi wa ukhti. I love my brother and my sister. Uhibbu zamili. I love my classmate. Uhibbu ustazi. I love my teacher. Uhibbullaha. I love Allah. Uhibbun nabiyya. Uhibbun nabiyya. It will be, they are will be mansoob here. So ending will be mansoob. Nabiyya. Uhibbullaha. Uhibbul lughatal arabiyata. Lughatal arabiyata. I love the Arabic language. I love the Arabic language. So this was our lesson for today. Now we can do the revision of the lesson. So who will revise this lesson? Okay. Shumaila, you open your mic, please.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ya Ustazu.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hadha baiti. This is my house. Baiti amam al masjidi. My house is in front of the mosque. Baiti jamilun. My house is beautiful. Fihi hadikatun saghiratun. There is a small garden in it. Hadihi ghurfati. This is my room. Fiha nafizatun kabiratun wa mirwahatun jamilatun. There is a large window.
There is a big
there
window. There is a big window.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There is a big window and a beautiful fan in it. Hada sariri wa hada kursiyi. This is my bed and this is my chair. Wa hada maktabi and this is my table. Saati wa qalami wa kitabi ala al-maktabi. My watch, my pen and my book is on the table. Wa haqibati tahta al-maktabi and my bag is under the table. Nafizatu ghurfati maftuhatun. The window of my room is open.
Good.
Yes, sir. The window of my room is open. Hadihi ghurfatu akhi. This is my brother's room. Watilka ghurfatu ukhti, and that is my sister's room. Ghurfatu akhi kabiratun wa ghurfatu ukhti saghiratun. My brother room is big and my sister room is small. Ghurfatu akhi amama ghurfati. My brother room is in front of my room. Wa ghurfatu ukhti amama al-maktabi matbakhi. And my sister's room is in front of the kitchen. Li akhun wahidu nismuhu Usamatu. I have one brother. His name is Usama. Wali ukhtun wahidatu nismuha Suadu. And I have one sister. Her name is Suad. Abi wa ummi fi tilkal ghurfatil kabirati. My mother and my father are in that big room, in that large room. Ana uhibbu.
Big room.
Yes, sir. In that big room. Ana uhibbu abi wa ummi. I love my father and my mother. Wa uhibbu akhi wa ukhti, and I love my brother and my sister.
Okay, good. So who else will read this one? Al-Mashkur. Al-Mashkur, please you open your mic.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Bismillah ar-Rahman. Hadha baiti. This is my room. Baiti.
My house.
This is my house. Baiti amam al-masjidi. My house is in the front of the mosque. Baiti jamilun. My house is beautiful. Fi hadiqatun saghiratun. There is small garden in it. Hazihi ghurfati. This is my room. Fiha nafizatun kabiratun ومروحة جميلة. There is a big window and a beautiful fan in it.
Okay, good.
هذا سريري. This is my bed. وهذا كرسي. And this is my chair. وهذا مكتبي. This is my table. ساعتي وقلمي وكتابي على المكتب. My watch and my pen and my book are on the table.
On the table, good.
وحقيبتي تحت المكتب. And my bag is under the table. نافذة غرفتي مفتوحة. My room's window is open. هذه غرفة أخي. This is my brother's room. وتلك غرفة أختي. And that is my sister's room. غرفة أخي كبيرة وغرفة أختي صغيرة. My brother's room is big and my sister's room is small. غرفة أخي أمام غرفتي. My brother's room is in front of my room. وغرفة أختي أمام المطبخ. And my sister's room is in front of the kitchen. لي أخ واحد اسمه أسامة. I have one brother. His name is Usama. ولي أخت واحدة اسمها سعاد. And I have one sister. Her name is Suad. أبي وأمي في تلك الغرفة كبيرة. My father and my mother are in that big room. أنا أحب أبي وأمي. I love my father and my mother. وأحب أخي وأختي. And I love my brother and sister.
Okay, good. Jazakallah. So who else is there? Tanku.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
هذا بيتي. This is my house. بيتي أمام المسجد. My house is in front of the mosque. بيتي جميل. My house is beautiful. في حديقة صغيرة. In it, there's a small garden in it. هذه غرفتي. This is my room. فيها نافذة كبيرة. There is it has a beautiful. In it is a beautiful. In it is a big window.
There is a big window and a beautiful fan in it.
Okay, there's a big window. There's a beautiful window and fan in it.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, brother. Our time is over. So the next, inshallah, we will continue tomorrow. We have less than 1 minute. If you have any question, you can ask or you can later WhatsApp me. The recording yesterday I already have uploaded on the YouTube. You can watch there, and I will send it also in the group. So any of you have any question, you can ask. Okay. So our time is over. So ilal liqai massalama. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Jazakallah.